Welcome to the Amazon Translate Deep Dive video series. I'm Greg Rushing from AWS, and in this episode we'll be looking at how you can use the real-time translation feature with Amazon Translate's Neural Machine Translation service. This is part 1 of 2 in this episode. If you're interested in learning more about Amazon Translate, please check out the rest of the videos in this 4-part series. Communicating effectively with customers and partners is essential. Language gaps can slow or complicate this process. As a feature of your applications, Amazon Translate can deliver instant and on-demand translations of customer service conversations to help your agents better serve international clients. With Amazon Translate, you can perform low-latency translation of up to 5,000 bytes of information with each real-time call to the service. In this tutorial, we'll walk you step-by-step through the process to translate text in real time with the AWS command line interface. You can also perform translations directly in the AWS Management Console or with the Translate Text API via one of AWS's SDKs. To get started, you'll need to set up the AWS CLI on your device. For more information on setting up the CLI, please refer to the Getting Started section of the developer guide, which is linked below in the description. Once you have access to the AWS CLI, you'll need to ensure your CLI config file contains a user profile with admin group or translate service permissions. This will ensure you can access the translate service via the CLI. If you need help with this, refer to Step 2, set up the AWS command line interface in the Amazon Translate Developer Guide to configure your CLI appropriately. Now that your CLI is configured with the appropriate access level, simply use the translate text operation to perform your real-time translation job. Use this format to perform your translation operation, updating the source language code, target language code, and text with your preferred information. After executing the operation, you'll receive a response in JSON format with your requested translation output. As you can see here, my welcome message was returned in Russian. Alternatively, you can use the AWS CLI to perform a translation operation by using a JSON file in the request. To perform this operation, you'll first format the necessary information as a JSON file like the one here. Then simply input the command in this format to call the service to perform the translation. Ensure the file name in your command matches the one that you used for your JSON file. In this case, the JSON file that I created for this demo is named translate.json. For this type of operation, you won't receive your response in the CLI window, but rather you'll have a new file named translated.json. You can browse to this file to find your translation result, or you can open it in the CLI using the Nano application within your terminal window. That's it. In this tutorial, we use the AWS command line interface to perform a real-time translation with Amazon Translate. As we saw, you can provide the text you want to translate as either a parameter of the translate text operation within the CLI, or by providing the source language, target language, and text in a JSON file. With Amazon Translate's real-time translation feature, you can add powerful neural machine translation to your applications, providing your customers with a local experience no matter where they are in the world. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please check out the other videos in this series to learn more about Amazon Translate.